in fact, there are a few possible ways of the co-firing options. The first direct way is the combustion of fuel blend. The mixture of coal and biomass is the simplest one. Just the mixing the coal and biomass before the boiler and introducing to the transplantation and preparation system. The second possible ways is indirect. What does it mean? If you have a boiler, you can combine some another technology like gasification, even pre-furnace, and you introduce, in fact, the energy. Can be process gas, it can be the hot flue gas into the boiler. This technology give you opportunity to better control of biomass stream. And the third is, if you have your coal boiler, you can combine this boiler in the one steam pipe and add some very specific 100% biomass boiler, but they are combined with the one pipe of the steam. However, this graph show some distinguish between some these options. As I said,
which option will be the most efficient from the point of view of the energy use?
Well, the most efficient is, of course, 100% combustion of biomass, because you have specific boiler. However, it depends how you define the efficiency. I mean the efficiency of production. But if you think about the overall sense, the efficiency of the, for example, in our case, we have some problem with the paddle straw, right? So the efficiency can be defined in another way. So if we consider the efficiency of the boiler, efficiency of the production, of course, the 100% biomass boilers are better. But if we compare some disadvantages and advantages, we have to decide. So it's just overall comment.
Yeah, and I believe that there's also another answer to this question. If we consider the economics, we have to see the entire chain of economics, and not always the most energy efficient option is the most economical one.
Exactly right, because some another problems like air pollution is take under consideration. Yeah. So coming back to our technologies. As I said, in direct options, you introduce the biomass just before the fuel preparation. The advantage of such a solution is that this way is very simple. But if you prepare your biomass blend, you have to spend all the blend as your tank is empty. Before that, you have not control to change the biomass share. So as you can see here, in indirect methods are better in terms of control of the biomass weight, because you have here separate the biomass preparation chain, drying, grinding, and so far and so on. Of course, you can, as I said, you can use some another chamber like a pre-combustion gasification, but it costs much more higher. And the last one is 100% of the biomass. The heart of this technology is a specific boiler. We cannot just in a simple way switch from the coal boiler into the 100% of the biomass boiler. So I hope that we can develop such idea and say something more in the next webinars.